No, you can't see the conversation. Alright, let's see. So my dog is grrring. And obviously I tell him I said rawr. But it's a she. So, dogs don't roar. I told her I was gonna videotape this. And Dennis says rawr, not dogs, I'm pretty sure. Ready? My keyboard. I'm gonna tape this. Alright, here we go. Going to see Brandy. She's growling. Did you get scared, Brandy? Did you get scared? Well, since you were rah-rah-rahing, Avi says roar. Roar! Roar! Brandy, you're cute, but you really smell. Stinky butt. Stinky butt? Where you going, stinky butt? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, 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 hi. Close up. Yeah, Brittany. Stop. 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 Rah, rah, rah. Rah, 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 rah. Stop, Brittany. Oh, you gonna lay down now? Gonna lay down now, Brandy? Brandy, this is going on YouTube, okay? Nod? Yeah, that was a nod. That was a nod. Yeah, alright, bye.